How to make an cyber avatar by using Canva. First of all, go to the Apps section in Canva. Type Cyber Avatar in the Apps search section, then click on this app. After that, click on Open and then click on Choose File. Choose any file you want to create. I'm choosing this one, and it takes 1 minute. Bingo! Our image has been turned into a cyber avatar. This is the original image, and this is the image we created with Cyber Avatar. Now go to the Upload section and upload a profile picture. After that, I will go to Apps, click on Cyber Avatar, open it, click on the photo, and then click on Generate and Replace. It takes a few moments, and bingo! Our image has been generated. Look, guys, this is how you can turn any image into a Cyber AI image. Now go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, bye-bye.